Everyone assumes we have lots and lots of data, and indeed we do actually. And a lot of that data would be, in the old days, kind of waste product or exhaust product for the business. So all our customers moving around between cell sites, well, that's all generating data traffic. So multiple sectors that they're interested in working with us to drive benefits for their businesses and our customers. And one example in smart digits, which is my area, is using name and address data for customers that register for tariffs from Telefónica, and then allowing customers to use that same data to register with other service providers. But what we can help our customers do with a consent-based service is put their phone number in their device. As long as that passes a few security checks, we have the data, we can also complete the registration form or the checkout process for them, and really speed up that whole process for the retailer or the service provider, and have a happier customer as well, right? Because instead of taking 2 or 3 minutes and 20 or 30 clicks, we've reduced that down to maybe 2 or 3 clicks and probably around 30 seconds. So those are the kind of services we want to launch to empower our customers, but also drive benefits for our commercial business. One of the big use cases we're seeing now with banks, financial services providers, is correlating trusted locations. So if you're a big bank, then you have points of sale. If you're a retailer, you're deploying those points of sale. And as a card holder myself, I'm spending money on my credit or debit card. I want to make sure that's as secure as possible as it can be, that someone else is not using my card. And so one of the capabilities we have now with the bank's support is the ability to match trusted location of a point of sale or an ATM, or even your web browser, for example, linked to where your phone is in real time. And if the customer gives their consent for their bank to do that, and that's done through a very clear contractual process, then we can allow those matches to happen, and we receive a trusted location from, say, a bank. We will understand the trusted location of the SIM card at that time. We can do a match. So we're absolutely not sharing any data, we're just matching. And that match can really drive a lot of value to prevent fraud and crime, basically, in online retailing, but also in points of sale on the high street as well. Once we can understand movements of people, or I would say non-movement of people, we look at it on a personal level. Is your grandma leaving her house every day to go to the shop? Suddenly she doesn't move her house for 2-3 days. Is there a way that with her consent and relatives' consent, we could alert the relatives to that not happening? And on a kind of more crowd-based level, you think about diseases and epidemics and how diseases spread. And you see on a city basis or a regional basis, maybe those movements of people are changing. Maybe too many people seem to be staying at home on one day or 1 week. Maybe the local health authorities, that would be useful information. So can we use that data again to really prevent disease, epidemics, and add value back to the community? So big data for social good is one of our key topics and one of our key themes.